This is just a quick short video of the Fasep ATM system. It's to be installed at the front of the hoist before driving onto the hoist. It has just one cable that connects between the left-hand side and the right-hand side through a cable ramp, and then a 24-volt power supply that's connected externally. It's wireless communication from its box here to the actual cabinet on the Fasep, and has the same range as a Fasep sensor has. To use this on the machine itself, prior to getting into the car, you press F5 ATM. It doesn't matter how long the machine is left like this, and it can actually be left in this state between alignments. So if you finish one vehicle, you can come, press this, and then just leave, and it's ready for the next car to be done. At this point, you take the vehicle and you drive the front axle to the ATM. You stop the front axle, and the machine will take a reading of the front axle. When the front wheels go solid blue and it now flashes the rear, you do the same thing for the rear axle. Once the green arrow disappears, it's taken the reading and you can drive forward onto the turntables. You'll then select the vehicle as per normal, so either a saved customer car or picking the car for the first time. And when you get to the spot to do the input track, it's already pre-filled in those measurements for you now. The difference is by using an ATM, we are now scanning the outside profile of the rim. So instead of scanning on the inside of the track measuring gauge, we are now taking the exact measurement of where the sensors will be sitting on the wheels. So in the previous system, we used the track measurement gauge on a car like a BMW that has different size wheels front to rear. We're only going on the inside track, so it doesn't understand that the rear wheel is a wider rim than the front rim. So typically we would have had this 20mm difference, but it would have said that the front track is 20mm difference rather than the rear track. To correct this, you type in the front wheel width, rim width, and the rear wheel's rim width, and this will offset and correct the track for you to give a good alignment. Now, because we're using the ATM and we're scanning the outside profile of each tire itself, it's correctly identified there's a 20mm difference in track, but it's put the rear track as the 20mm. So we'll still get a good alignment on this vehicle without putting in any of the rim width or rear diameter at all. It's very quick, very easy to use, and you'd now go continue alignment. When you finish, go back to that ATM page and you're ready for the next vehicle.